In this video, I will show the integration between Klaviyo and Insider systems. We are now in the platform manager of the Put It Forward platform, where you can see all the processes defined for a particular account. We will be taking a closer look at Klaviyo to Insider process. Let's get inside of it. Here in the Process Designer, you can see how the data flows from top to the bottom. The first connector is responsible for fetching users' information from Klaviyo and send it into Insider. It will check for email opt-in field, and if that option is true, the data will be sent to Absurd API. The second connector is responsible for the same thing with the exception of email opt-in field being false. In that case, the data will be sent to Insider Email and Subscribe API. And the third connector is responsible for sending events from Klaviyo to Insider. Ordered product events will be translated into purchase events with all the fields sent there as custom fields. Let's look inside the first connector. Here in the Integration Designer, several things are happening. First is the data mapping. Here on the left, you can see all the destination fields, in our case, Insider fields, and on the right, they are mapped to the corresponding source fields. The mapping is straightforward. You click on the link and you see the list of all the available source values. You choose the one you need, country in our case, and the mapping is done. Here in the middle, there is also some business logic happening. First of all, we are checking if email opt-in field is true, and if it does, then we process the record. Then we can check for the city. For example, if the city is empty, we can check the country of the person. And if the country is US, set up a default city. Here I chose New York, but then it can be any city. Then we will be checking the phone format. It should comply with E.164 format. There are requirements for this format. If any of these requirements is broken, then we will not send the phone number to Insider. Otherwise, we will grab it. Then, in this transformer, we will check if the phone number contains plus sign in front of it. And if it does, then we will send the phone number as is. If it does not, we will concatenate the plus to the beginning of the number. As you can see here, my destination phone field is mapped to this particular transformer. Then another transformation that is happening here is getting state from the phone number area code. Let's look inside of it. Here we are checking if the country is US or Canada, and if it is, we grab the phone number area code, translate it to the corresponding state, and send it to Insider in a custom field. The custom field defined here in the custom attributes. The name of the field is state from area code, and I'm getting this value from this transformer. Let's move on to the second connector. It looks very similar to the first one with the exception of email opt-in option, which is false here. If it is false, then we will grab this record and set it to email unsubscribe API. The rest of the fields are mapped identically to the first connector, as well as the business logic. And our last and third connector is the one that is responsible for events. We are looking for ordered product events in Klaviyo. If they happen, then we would fetch them. We will change the name of event to purchase. We will use email as unique identifier. That's one of the options. The other ones include phone number or loyalty number. And we would send all the fields of this ordered product event as custom attributes to Insider. Here is how it is set up. So I define the custom name product ID and I map it to the actual value from Klaviyo. The same with product name, SKU, variant, price, etc. Now, when everything is set up, the only thing that is left is just hitting run and seeing the data flow from Klaviyo to Insider. Thank you for your attention.